Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will show you how to import the JSON data using mongoimport command with the CMD in the Windows system. Previous video, I have shown you how to import the JSON or CSV data using Mongo Compass client. So for importing the JSON or CSV data using CMD, we need to install a tool, mongoimport tool. By default, if you have installed the MongoDB server, that tool will not appear. So if you want to see mongoimport command, it will not show in your system. So I'm going to in the C drive. In the C drive, you can go to your programs files and go to your Mongo folder. So I'm going to MongoDB folder. Here it is install the MongoDB server. So you can go to your server and version 8.0 win folder. You can see Mongo import command will not appear here. So that's why first we need to install the Mongo import command tool. So for installing the Mongo tools for importing the data, we need to download that software. So I'm going to Chrome here type download MongoDB importing tools. So here you will see MongoDB official website and database tools. Click this one. Then you will see a download option. In here you can select your package as a MSP, MSI or CS, MSI or zip. So I'm going to select MSI and clicking the download button. Why just 1 minute? I think I have missed something. Command tools here. Yeah, this one. Command database command tools. We need to download this one. MongoDB command line database tools download. This one we need to download it. So I'm going to select MSI. Based on your requirement, you can select zip or MSI. So I'm going to select MSI and click the download button. After download, it will need to install. So until it is downloading, let's open another tab. In here, we need to create a JSON data using ChatGPT. So here typing create a JSON array data with employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee salary, employee designation, employee age, and enter it. Then it will create a JSON data you can use for creating the JSON data. So I will provide this sentence in description. You can use this sentence in your chat GPT and create the JSON data. So I'm going to click the copy button, going to notepad in here, pasting it, and we need to save it. So I'm going to click file and save as button. So we need to create a folder in the C directory. So I'm going to see here creating a folder MongoDB JSON data. MongoDB JSON data and select this one. Here we need to select the file name as a employees dot Json. Here it's showing not Json, it is showing or not. Yeah, you can select JSON file and click save button. Now it is saved in our directory which is just created MongoDB JSON data employees JSON. You can go to your C drive. Let's click C drive. In here you can see our newly created folder. Where is MongoDB M? Where is MongoDB? Yeah, MongoDB JSON data. You can see here our JSON data is available. So I'm going to close this one and let's see our software is installed or not. Yeah, it is installed. So I'm going to click this software and install it. So I'm going to click double so I'm going to double click next, accept it, click next, next, install. It will take some times, so let's wait until it is not installed. Yeah, now it is installed. You can see in your MongoDB directory. So I'm going to C drive programs files. Where is programs files? Yeah, going to MongoDB folder. Previously, you will see only server folder and win directory. So I'm going to back one step. You will see tools also available. In the tools, we can go hundreds. After that, bin folder. Here you can see all the MongoDB tools command are there like vsend, dump, Mongo export for exporting the data, Mongo's files, Mongo's import, Mongo restore, Mongo state, Mongo top. All these commands are available. So let's go to our CMD. Here we can type Mongo import hyphen version. It will not give any information because this 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 information I have not provided in the environment variable. So I'm going to click property, go to property, okay, cancel it. Here type env and click edit system path variables. Here you can click environment variables. Now here you can add your path in here. Click and add this one. Click OK. Now let's check again. It will show or not. So I'm going to open another CMD. Mongo import hyphen version. Now you will see the Mongo import version will appear. If you have not, if you are not going to set the environment variable, then you need to come this path. Here all the commands appear and run the importing commands for JSON data. So I'm going to close it because I have already set the environment variable and we have also created a JSON data employee JSON data. And let's open our CMD. Here type mongo sh command for seeing the our JSON data. So I am going to open another CMD command for importing the data. So here going to use mongo import hyphen db. We are going to define the db emps. This is the empDB. This is the our DB name and we need to define collection. Collection we can define collection employees. Now we need to add file in file we need to type c/c/ mongo json data slash employees json data hyphen json array. We need to define the which type of data is there in the file. So click the, now we are going to enter it. Yeah, now you can see connected to the MongoDB server, and it is imported the 5 documents and 0 documents is failed. If any documents is failed, then it will show in the fold in the field import count section, as it is showing 0 right now. So I am going to previous CMD command here, going to our newly created databases. What is the database name? In here empDB. So I am switching the previous database empDB. Now we have switched for seeing the all the collection which you have created. You can use show collections command. You will see all the created collections. So I am going to see all the imported data DB and provide the collection name employees dot find command. Find command internally uses pretty command to give the JSON data in the output. Yeah, you can see all the data will appearing here, like employee ID, employee name, and so on. You can also check your data which you have created in the JSON, like E01, E02, E03, E05. So let's see all the data is there or not. So find 02, 05, 01. It is showing 01. 01 alias Johnson. So Elias Johnson, this is 01, and 02 is a Bob Smith. So I'm going to see 02 is a Bob Smith. Let's minimize it little bit so that we can get more understanding. 03, 03, where is 03? 03 is a Carol Lee. So you can see Carol Lee. Now let's see E05 Evelyn Wright, you can see here, and 02, 02 is a Bob Smith. Okay, so by following this step, you can import your JSON or CSV data based on your requirement, which you are working on production, test DB or development environment. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. And if you haven't set up the MongoDB server, then you can watch my previous video, then you can get the better understanding. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.